guys, and welcome back to the Christopher Fam. My name is Yolanda, and this is Wellness Wednesday. And if this is your first time joining us, welcome, and let me catch you guys up. I started my wellness journey January 2nd, weighing 351 pounds. I instantly went to my go-to, which is doing low carb and just simply working out. After February was a complete stall, I may have lost 1 pound by the end. I decided to go a step further with my journey and started trying out rolling fast. So for the month of March and April, I did rolling fast secretly, as in I did not share with the channel. I wanted to see if it was something that was doable in my lifestyle or something that I can keep up with, and I felt confident enough to come to you guys at the end of April and let you guys know that that's what I was doing. So since April 27th, I believe, I have been doing rolling fast, but for 72 hours, and I'm going to complete that throughout the month of May. Last week I weighed in at 312 pounds, and this week I come to you weighing 308.6. Let me check my notes. Yes, it's 308.6. So that gives me a loss of 3.4 pounds for the week. Now, that also brings me to another milestone. I was trying to lose 40 pounds by my birthday, which was April 21st. Unfortunately, I did not make that goal. But as of this week, I have lost 42.4 pounds. And that means I met my first milestone. It might be a little late, but it's okay. As long as we're meeting the goals, that's all that matters, right? Typically in these vlogs, I give you a snapshot of how my week went, but at the end of last week's vlog, I did tell you guys that I would share with you just specifically what a day looks like of me feasting or feeding or eating, however you want to think of it. So actually last week I ate 3 times, and at the beginning of the journey, I told you guys that I may have to switch up the 72 hours every now and then, remember? And this was one of those times. I ate on Wednesday, I fasted for 48 hours, and then I ate again on Friday. I made the choice to fast for 48 hours this week, that one time, because Friday was my anniversary. It was our 16th anniversary, and we had a celebratory dinner. So I made the adjustment to my schedule to fit life. That's important to me. So that means I ate Wednesday, skipped Thursday, ate Friday, then I fasted for 72 hours, which would have been Saturday and Sunday, and I ate again on Monday. Today is Wednesday, so I won't eat again until tomorrow. I know for you guys who are familiar with rolling fasting, this all can sound a bit redundant, but for someone who is new to rolling fast or have no idea what I'm talking about, I wanted to always explain. So for me, 72-hour fasting really equals 70 hours of me fasting, and then I have a window of 2 hours, typically from 6 to 8, the evening or the day that I'm supposed to eat, that I eat, and then I do it all over again. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions about how I'm doing rolling fast, make sure to leave it in the comments below. I will gladly answer. So up next, I'm going to be sharing with you my feed day. And not only will I show you the food that I ate, but I'll tell you about the calories, the carbs, the protein, and the fat, just so you can know. I typically do not count all of those things every day, but I did it for this video's sake, and this is a pretty average eat day for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.